Alright, so you know some ear $30,000, my rent of a pay, my have kids, and you know some ear need for do my ear $35,000, my rent at $75,000, my bank account needs to be filled up, me need $185,000 like every 2 weeks. My nails have to do, my toe have to do, and you know some have kids, and my kids them have them school fee. You understand what me I say?
I step them net I slap some bash them but the spice what
Maybe it's just because you're ugly.
Ugly? You gotta be kidding me.
Show why you feel vote and trying to figure. Got the next party like if we flap. Yo, Valley, West Kingston, Black. Everybody see and to say the claps.
Hi. Oh my goodness. You are a bad nut after all. Huh?
Stay to the Jamaican man, survive our kid. I better than all of the things them now need. First thing you need, couple of them are asthma pump. The boy going having a running down him and him tell them so you're going to need this to catch your breath. The next thing you're going to need a pressure kit. If I was head up your pressure, so you're going to need to check your pressure and make sure it's alright. The next thing you're going to need, girl, is a box of Aleve. Relieve your pain and get extra strength to fight the boy. The next thing go there, a Bible. You're going to need.
You see, in a me you want to pick me, you know. Suppose me if you joke back in a fear. Suppose me if you joke in a fear, eh? Yo, no, me. I want to the chicken. Yo. Take your body out of the camera.
Now play with me. Designed by grandma. Yeah, it's not normal. Father shop don't get fever. Why won't outside here where?
The popcorn here.
Crazy.
Are we going to far? What about only panel far? We them some for the bird nest up on your head. Yeah, Jesus. Yeah.
Not cheap and clean.
It's the string, yeah? Imagine I want a string. I'm tied to it, yes. So, what is good enough? Dry it hard.
What?
Dry it hard. In 3, 2, 1.
What? Right? Not mine, officer. Oh, really? Now me have a rifle, call like Eiffel, call it suffocator, bust it boy stifle. But officer, I just a song that you know. This not just a song, my gun them long. Get it from a Chinese girl, ping pong. Just to make you know, we did some checks. That rifle was involved in a murder. Listen, officer, I know nothing of no murders, you know. I am a law-abiding citizen. Okay, alright. Follow which law? Oh, me? Nah. Tell you how I'm a kill boy. Listen, me not that. I'm not hard class. Where are you?
Oh, that.
I and I, Jah Rastafari, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, son of Haile Selassie.
And me one day, I'm not open the door for so much chat uno.
One thing you miss about your ex.
Them wicked, them gyal ya wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but I know so them gyal ya wicked.
Hey Bounce Dad, I literally just recorded this video for you. This is me taking them out. I recorded the process of me taking them out just so people can see them getting taken out. People also ask me do they fall out or am I scared it's gonna fall out in my sleep? And honestly, just like people secure their wigs, you gotta secure what's in your mouth. That's just, I just feel like that's what it is. If you have a piercing in your mouth, you know that saliva can loosen it more than any other piercing on your body. So literally, secure it every so often. You don't have to do it every day, but it prevents it from coming out. But yeah, this is my tongue without it. Ugh, it felt so weird. It would be so cool if I can blow water through the other side of the hole.
So to a shine time, better you say, you know that I my rhyme. Later you say, you know that I sign time. Shorty say, put voice from my timeline. Lyrics you say, use one rhyme 9 times. Wait, memory rest, yes, use rest. I saw me know me bless. Me I go make this clear, so the less you have to guess. Me have more stripe than the crest for your chest. Hope you say rest, yes. Some win the test. 5 more line and no me no rest. The vice, the shield and the sword, but me says Christ. Overseas, no me a lock some face. Right at that Marvin cheese, so me finally nest. Rhyme time, so me chat anything. Me new high foot.
Let's see how go on. Grab up.
The career flourishing, these are the things that you should be cherishing, Too many people perishing, See, they talk quick, bicycle really move swift, The woman tell you when they are drift, You think of the tears from the crib, See, the lyrics that come out of the computer chip, Health over wealth, Want some change, Everything looks strange, One to come like a vision, The man have to make them decision, Teacher be pick the too long division, so them make too much wrong decision, Young boy, look on the color of the juice, pick and choose them. Whether foot and shoes them. Health and your wealth. Right on for right off. Young boy, which one you take up? Too much relationship and mash up. Give me a bill. Give me a bill. Now make sure the price is affordable.
Bill see 2 of them.
Yo, 2 bills see 2 of them. See the health and your wealth, Peanut and blend up. Remember, say it's not a bad juice affair, The coming of the Lord is near. One, and the quality, remember, say you never buy none from here to the road, boy. Yo, see the other people them there. Come like a vision, Come like a vision, I want to make him decision, He's a youth that respect religion, See it there, Big him up, Don't give him up, As he reach up, there's a woman, I lift him up, See it there, Health and your wealth, Don't get to me ride off, Who have the money I ride off? You want to drop a woman, go slide off, in a shallow water, and go dive off. Come, my father. The year you have to work harder. Follow the lettuce and string in. You want to hear a mama scream out. See it there, when people, when the whole of her body line out. See it after your finger, them not join out. Pretty girl, I love your smiling, darling. Perfect me from my mind. Look how you're blessed. See that? Look from your head to your chest. Can you imagine the rest? Now the Lord know what is best. Anyway, not to ride off, come like a decision, regardless of your religion, Joke,
Me want to take, man. Me want to take, Me want to take.
Me believe you, darling. So true that don't make him deceive you.
This hour.
See, the only thing him fear think about is to please you, hold you and squeeze you. See, it's all my people.
This hour.
The one of the Irish mash, Linseed and Medina. Yeah. The comfort of reading the cleaner. Give me a bill.
Lord, I want
the terribly, make you talking a parably, Tell them literally enough, no one hear nothing spiritual, Till them condition get critical. Tell me if me logical. No them some lyrical. God have to go save them like the prodigal. Yo, what my people them there? Looking at the fridge, young boy, because remember I know you want live. Cash a peanut and pumpkin. By the time look, she wants something. Bird can't fly for one way. Are we trying to take up? Yeah, we trying to take up. Too much relationship. Yeah, you back them thing you have to stack up. Wipe the screw them slack up. She say you close them to pack up. See it there, the young boy shot up. She said she want a magnum, because remember said woman them hard for coming up. See it there, look here, you hurt them enough. Some of them not even tell you say you're welcome. Come here, mommy, remember you're welcome. See it there, come here, darling.
Yeah,
love how you look, especially your foot. When you go over there for cook. See it there, where my people them there. See it there,